Okay, what we've got here is the Autoflame exhaust gas analyzer. This analyzer can be used in conjunction with the Mark 8 controller. So we can use all this information of exhaust gases to trim the burner. Or we can use it as a safety device. So we can start to set limits on CO, CO2, exhaust gas temperature, or even NOx. So the unit itself, if we go to the main screen here, we can see the exhaust gas coming in from the probe in the stack. Now the probe in the stack is just a filter. That filter comes down into a chiller inside the EGA. That's going to drop the exhaust gas temperature to around 66 degrees F. Once we've taken all the condensate out of the exhaust gas, we then take that through a series of filters, a pump, through some switches, a temperature sensor, and then we put that gas across the cells. When I say cells, we're talking oxygen, CO2, CO, and NO. They're just the standard sensors. Additionally, we can also add SO2 and NO2. We add NO2 if we really want to calculate our NOx correctly, not just measuring NO and correcting to give us NOx.